What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's Thursday, it's rainy, it's muggy, it's humid. It always seems like I'm doing a wheel restoration on this type of day. It's very hard to do in an open environment, but we got it done. This is that Honda Accord with the ugly rims. And look at the difference. Low mileage Honda. I forget what year it was. 09? An 07 four-door Accord. How about that? You were popular back then with a four-door Accord. Amazing, amazing the difference your wheels makes to a vehicle, especially when you're trying to sell it. Added value with a rear wheel restoration. Less complaints from the customer on trying to beat you down on the price. Look at the difference in that car. From crusty, rusty, hoopties to nice and shiny. Thanks for watching.